So enie na ebrana so ye hwe ye online portal no eso nsem ahodo bia fe de obonkrata no aba no eno so emu nsem ye bedi emu nkomotel ne afiri hono a yakwada eje de abokansi abro sister Sandy bi ye guide ahosepebeba metina se na afi nkomotwetwe bi ho no na be ye afiri ho ama na afi empense mu atena so no kwasinsia beba se bidika ebedika ewo Badwam so ewo Adom TV ntinko ba bia DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119. Don't you abadi na yes your online portal no and some who be a waso no any adomonline.com was so heading towards defend Alan's vote for Christian leader comment. Na senche bia na beto adjust Alan opanyina wo no na wo ye kofa by ema afrafranto party na movement for change o kan sese mo pe panyini anaso o mo to abo mo ntumo bi a wo ye Kristo ni no ti Kristo so mo ase na o heading to ekirem say asem panyini kai de wane no eya adwene buna pro ye mantem asenso boachi assures asweyi chief of roads on say so afa wo hwe akwantempo ho nsem so no guso a wo bono de hafo mantem ni mu a obo nto ahwe akwantempo ahodo a wonom eye na wa hye nananom ewo asweyi bose omo akwan behwe na afi wa hye nema ewom na aye kama o say FDA destroy substandard baby diapers eno ko Ghanaian Times mu a edem ye de ni nyina emu nkyiremu no ebebro sanso na eduji tamaklo so akasa for CJ ye ni hearing and answer den seba hodo bi ya wode etu dwa na nungwa ya beka e wa hanom se wuko nungwa ye nyina ye nim se asem bia pie na asem wa pie no ne fa kase no eye akwada na onu so wade na ebetu odwa se panyini baako e wo nungwa ya wa wade akora na mamre ne amane kwan so mpanimfo akirekire mu ya wo mo akeka ho nsem nyina e wo ho na se ko no a obi ane na dwenkyere ebi mu kyeremu ya mamre ne amane enye se de omanfo dwere no ene bi susu se akwada ne suadodo etise kwa ye hwe akwada ne mfie ho nti we ne nsema hodo bi ye wa adomonline.com kwasinsia so aye kwado ya de obonkrata ne so anya bedru nti no de ho no kwasi kwa ba nkrata na ba
ene nkrata ne do so pa do so pa se bia bokode
onyame adom
ya da nyame ase okay to hin to de no eni FDA de no so eni nunga de no so eni ene doji de no so enso ewa you it's in a Ghanaian Times so eni rally behind AU to create financial architecture to support African businesses. President Ruto to private sector. Don't overrun budget for project. Finance Minister appeals to MDAs. Stop escorting associates through security checks at airports. Henry Kote can say Ghanaian Times. Daily Guide and in Ghana feet best governed country in Africa.
Ghana
feet best governed country.
Fifth.
Yes.
In Africa. That's a bibre man minor.
Yes.
Amaya ye buni
pa Ghana tosunum. Father burns daughter's private part. Mahama hails free SHS. Baumia pledges support for pharmaceutical industry. Court of Appeal resumes nationwide sitting. Daily Guide and so The Daily Statesman. CJ. The Fiamma Post injunction application was ripe for hearing. NHI boss outlined 4-point vision to revolutionize healthcare. Ghana best governed in West Africa. World Economics Governance Index puts nation feet in Africa. Minister hails professionalism of GIS officers. NDP advocates inclusive governance policy. The Daily Statesman and so Daily Analyst. Alan Abu Sakara form alliance. God wouldn't choose a cathedral over education. That's John Mahama. Akufo-Addo reshuffle Upper East West regional ministers. Baumia will win 2024 with unity of purpose. NPP Ada PC asset. Ghana claims top spot in West Africa. Places feet in Africa. Mahama interacts with students and faculty of Wisconsin University. Sanitation ministry ineffective. I will dissolve it. John Mahama. Daily Analyst. Daily Graphic. Consolidating media leadership. Graphic to raise funds on Ghana Stock Exchange. MD. Prioritize national peace ahead of December 7 polls. Minister tells election actors. Dr. Baumia advocates local capacity building in health sector. Autism patient can access disability fund. Daily Graphic and so Republic Press. Nyantachi's ambitions in limbo as moral controversy set in. Free SHS tablet is bribe. Mahama mocks intervention. V. Baumiaka sought for construction of 200-bed hostel for Trinity Theological Seminary. 215 Ghanaian students in Hungary facing unpaid stipends. Majority supports government decision to increase passport fee. Republic Press. And so, and I am for happy birthday, confirm Minister for Works and Housing, then Minister of Information. Member of Parliament for Ofuanse IUB constituency. Honorable Kojo Opon Kroma.
Okay.
And then Awuda. You wishing all the best.
Okay.
Nyankopon enhyira na onye ne kese. Kopen so be ne kese pa. In fear okodi o Ministry of Information. Adwe obi ani sem se oka one of the ministers about Ghana Information Ministry. Or the great transformation naba ministry one more untimi nkanyi Kojo Opon Kroma emfiri obetimi eboni biye bi but when it comes to the Ministry of Information ade a waye honom ene eye center back cause UN crappersom ye press conference one more they will feel proud to enter there say kwa press conference and that is the handwork of Kojo Opon Kroma. We believe say the new portfolio here President Kufuor the Amano he will do same or even more than Wayeno, Ministry of Information. So, Honorable, happy birthday. Enko, if Nyankopon sha na ontonko so mo ho ban e wo adwumade a wo ye e de ma my Ghana.
Abusia ye ko na ye dan ye ho aba no de na kaise agokansie beba na afi Sister Sunday so de ahosepa aba na ye wewe mu kakra na nkomotwetwe bi wa me ye fi ho no ma wa sa asem no ebedika den wa ha na afi pense mu no
tumfo so ya de mamwa de bi pa. Ora sem de kedru ho.
Dabe. Enra. Opem so. Asante Mera. $5 million.
Ora sem de kedru ho no.
Sa.
Yes.
Eni abusu ayantwa asemi di kan ye dan ye ho aba na agokansi ato aso.